Good morning. Aloha.
Aloha.
We're in Maui and we are going on an excursion with the ship.
Yep, and we're going to Paia Town, and it's going to be a rainforest experience. Oh, very cool.
Have a great day.
Peace, love, and sunshine.
Hawaiians used to travel between Hawaii and Tahiti for a few hundred years. 2,000-mile voyage there, and it's also a spot on the island where you can see all the other islands. Yeah, and it's also a spot if you look south, you could see some southern hemisphere constellations.
It closed. We have to cross water to get to the waterfall. All right, it's going to be fun. Here we go. Okay, and what's the Hawaiian name of the waterfall?
Ho'olava.
All right, great, thank you.
Must be nap time. Okay, we should count them. He said 30. Okay.
Paia Beach. Well, we're near Paia Town. Look at the sea turtles. Look at all the sea turtles. Down. Take a picture.
He only moves when the water goes back in.
You're waiting for it. Let's go. Somebody counted 61.
You gonna move now?
Bunch of rocks.
No.
Wait a minute, they're
Oh
not.
yeah, here.
See, because it takes the sand with it.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Here you go. This is a big one.
There you go.
Watch him move now. There you
He's
go.
gone.
There you go. He's almost caught the
That
wave.
might be it.
One more maybe. Here comes another one.
Where?
Right.
You got it.
You can do it.
Gone.
There he goes.
There you go.
Oh, there's another one. Oh. That one seemed to go a lot faster. Aloha.
Aloha.
We just got back from the rainforest adventure, and I thought it was really terrific. I would give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it was amazing. A 10.
And the one thing that I would like to suggest is that you take shoes that can get wet.
Yeah, because you have to walk through some water to get to the waterfall. There's a pond you can swim in. You do have to walk through water, and there's rocks. They're not sharp, but they're all different sizes, and it kind of hurt.
It kind of hurt. We made it, and I didn't get wet, but I think it would have been better with a pair of like good water shoes.
Yes.
Until next time. Peace, love, and sunshine. Have a great day.
Bye-bye. Happy tea time.
All right, well, it's my turn. The tugboat is totally just pushing us against the dock because they're letting go of the ropes on the other side. And this is how they keep us in place until like we're all ready to go. It's really cool.
That's the kind of boat we were on when we did one. Okay, we decided to zoom in by coming down 4 decks. We're on deck 6 now. Tiger number 11. Okay, here we go.
This is the view from deck 6 instead of deck 10. And now I understand why they have the thing. It says tugboat here. It's like this is where you can push against the ship and it doesn't do any damage. So is he in forward?
Looks like he's gently pushing, yes.
Yeah.
He's touching, he's against us. Look at that. That's a big rope for that one. Okay, captain's ready. Okay, so
They
now
turn the side as the pod's on.
now he's gonna back away. Here we go. Boop, boop. Look how
How
good.
fast he is.
That's right. Good.
Boy, he's having a good time.
He's showing off now. Yeah. Come on, you got a horn? Let's go. Blow the horn. That was a good one.
Okay.
Tiger, number 11. See you next time.
Do you think he goes down for the other ropes?
Well, we'll see. I think he does. Down here, help you untie it back here. Don't scratch my boat. Well, we're not walking down there, but yeah. Anyway, he's gonna help do the same thing he did last time.